Does your friendly neighborhood bank accept that green stack of cash? Hey everyone, have you ever been stuck in a situation where you're holding a wad of foreign currency and all you want to do is get it deposited into your safe, reliable bank account? Maybe you just received a gift from a generous relative abroad, or perhaps you're back from that amazing vacation filled with new experiences and a slightly lighter wallet, well, except for that leftover stash of US dollars. Whatever the reason, the question arises, can you simply waltz into your bank and deposit those crisp green bills? Today, we're diving deep into the world of international currency exchange and bank policies, specifically focusing on Commonwealth Bank, also known as Commbank, and their stance on accepting US dollars, USD. So, buckle up, globetrotters and international money receivers, because this video will shed light on whether Commbank is your saving grace when it comes to USD deposits. Understanding foreign currency deposits. Before we delve into Commbank's specific policy, let's take a step back and understand the general landscape of foreign currency deposits in banks. Banks typically deal with the local currency of the country they operate in. This means their day-to-day transactions, accounting systems, and internal processes are geared towards that specific currency. However, in today's globalized world, it's not uncommon for banks to offer some level of service for foreign currencies. This could involve currency exchange services, international money transfers, or even accepting foreign currency deposits. Commbank in the case of USD. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Does Commbank accept USD deposits? The answer is yes, with a few caveats. Commbank offers customers the option to deposit USD cash at any branch. Here's the catch, there are some fees involved. You'll be charged a foreign currency handling fee, which is a percentage of the total amount you're depositing. The exact fee can vary depending on the amount you're depositing and your account type. It's always best to check Commbank's website or contact your local branch for the most up-to-date fee schedule. Another important point to consider is the exchange rate. Commbank will exchange your USD into Australian dollars, AUD, at their own foreign exchange rate. This rate might not be the most competitive you'll find, so it's worth comparing rates with other currency exchange services before making a decision. Alternatives to consider. If you're looking for the most favorable exchange rate for your USD, here are a couple of alternatives to consider. Currency exchange services. There are many specialized currency exchange businesses that offer competitive rates and potentially lower fees than banks. You can find these services online or at kiosks in airports and major travel hubs. Online currency exchange platforms. Several online platforms allow you to exchange USD for AUD electronically. These platforms often boast competitive rates and faster transaction times compared to traditional banks. Making an informed decision. Ultimately, the best way to handle your USD depends on your individual needs and priorities. If convenience is your top concern, and you don't mind paying a slight premium, then depositing your USD directly at Commbank might be the easiest option. However, if you're looking for the most bang for your buck, researching currency exchange services or online platforms might be a better route. Remember, always compare exchange rates and fees before making a decision. A little research can save you some money in the long run. That's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.